Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now today, or tonight I guess I should say, because it is currently I don't know if y'all can see that, 10:58 p.m. right now. And the reason I'm starting this video right now is because I've been wanting to make this video for a while, and a lot of y'all guys actually recommended it a lot. And it is like all the lights on my truck, and I figured doing it during the day wouldn't be as cool as doing it at night. So we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna show y'all all the lights I have on this thing. Oh, and not to mention, I cleaned it today, and wow, I forget how good that thing cleans up. But let's go outside. And hopefully I can get the lighting decent out here for y'all to see. Ooh, look at the moon over there. Nice. Nice. There it is. You can't tell how shiny and clean it is, but it is super clean. Now, I guess I can start with none other than the rock lights, because, you know, I can actually control it from my phone because I'm cool like that. So pull up this little lighting thing here and check this out. Okay, ready, set.
What the hell is even that?
Boom. Look at that. Now these are only RGB. Oh yeah, that's full brightness right there. These are super bright. This is only one rock light in each wheel well. Now this is not the LED one, so it's only RGB color. So let me just change the colors here a little bit. That one looks kind of neat. My favorite is honestly probably this one. The red looks really good, although it looks pink on the camera. Let's see, what else? Here's like a dark blue. This one looks really crazy. It looks a lot different on camera though. That's actually really surprising. But yeah, this is one of my favorite ones right here. This is considered like the white LED, but as you can tell, it's thrown out a bunch of different weird colors. So yeah, don't really run that one. And to turn it off, it's as easy as boom. There they go. All right, on to the next thing. Now, this one is just kind of neat. I like to go fishing stuff. Sometimes it's nighttime. Got this secret little switch here. Bloop. And I haven't done the other side yet, as you can tell, but super bright LED light. Honestly, it's so bright, I don't even need to do the other side, because here, I'm gonna turn it off and y'all can see how bright it actually is. So yeah, it lights this thing up really good. Looks like y'all can see in the dark how clean it actually is. Look at that. So shiny. Hopefully I can see this right here, but here, actually, let me just get my flashlight out. Okay, so I got this little thing here, and I don't know if y'all have ever seen it before, but when I turn my headlights on, this turns on and it's like LED. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on that, the light bar, and these lights, just so y'all can see all the different lights. Get her open. All right, hold the headlights. And I'm gonna just turn all the lights on real quick. So yeah, this thing will kill vampires for sure. But as you can tell right there, little F-150 badge is lit up. It's actually super sick. And all the headlights, everything is all lit up. Look at that. Get low, walk around a little bit. I know it's really shiny and blurry, but y'all get the point. Now I'm sitting in my truck, and as you can tell, this is like a blue or a purplish kind of color. We're in my truck, and there's a light here, under my foot, up here, and one over there. Now, if you think these are cool, then you're gonna want to see this. Let me turn these off. With this, I can control it on my phone, but usually I don't even use these lights. I just have my cigarette lighter. But watch this. Boom. My favorite light to have on my truck by far. My Starlight headliner. Now, I can control this with my phone. So let me do that real quick so y'all can see. It's actually pretty neat. So this right here is only 3% brightness on the Starlight headliner. Let me turn the cigarette lighter off. So this is 3%. We'll crank it up. All right. Y'all want to take a guess what that is? If you said 52%, you're right. All right, let's go to 100. Yeah, that is pretty dang bright, guys. I mean, look at that. That is so bright. Whenever I drive with them on, I usually have it at like, I don't know, maybe 10 max, because you can drive with it on and it's not distracting at all. But I'm gonna turn it back up to 100 and put a few of the different colors that I have on here. So here's like the LED, which is actually pretty much LED. It looks pretty good. Here's like a red. I'm not really too sure how good y'all can see that on the camera, but there's red, green, like a dark blue, kind of looks purplish. Here's a yellow, pink, and turquoise. And there's a bunch of different modes and stuff. Right now I have it on like RGB fade, and I mean, you can just sit here and go throughout. You can like change the speed, change the brightness, like I said. It's really cool. I'm trying to think if I'm missing any lights. I'm pretty sure that's about it. Yeah, that's it, I'm pretty sure. Now, it's not too much, but I don't think it's enough. Eventually, I'm gonna put more rock lights and stuff on here, but honestly, before I do any other cool stuff to it, I gotta get this engine fixed because I'm tired of filling it up with antifreeze every single day. So we're probably gonna do something with that before we do anything else cool. But for now, this will do. I mean, I love this. Literally everywhere I go, I get comments about this, whether it's the gas station or going through a drive-thru at night, and you know, my truck is so tall. They see right in here like, oh my God, that's so sick. I'm like, just like, yeah, I know. Not to be cocky or anything, but pff, of course it looks good, bro.
Are you sure about that?
I'm looking around trying to remember if I have any lights, and I think that is it, guys. If y'all have any more light suggestions, drop it down below in the comments.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we're back in my truck now, and I figured I might as well go up to a little school that's nearby real quick, and we'll get some little roller shots on my truck. I think my brother's gonna come with me so he can film or whatever. So hopefully this will be pretty sick. Probably like, oh, it's 11:30 now, so hopefully the cops don't interrupt our little roller session, but I'll see y'all whenever we're there. Okay, so me and my brother are up here at this little school, and he's just gonna get some clips of me just rolling by. I don't know, I just thought it'd be neat so y'all can see all the lights and stuff. I'll roll down my window so y'all can see inside here while I'm driving by. We're just gonna drive along this little strip here. It's kind of lit up, but you should still be able to see all the lights. All right, so let's see how good he is at videoing. I'm gonna leave the lights like this. I have nothing on right now except the running lights. My headlights aren't even on, so I have running lights, rock lights, Charlotte headliner, and then maybe I'll turn some on while I'm driving or something, but let's lend the camera to this guy. Doggies, I hope we don't get in trouble for that one, guys. Zoom in on him. Okay guys, hopefully y'all can hear me over that thing right there. Hopefully y'all did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you are new. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.